This is a special show. There are a couple of real big additions to the show. First off, from a pyrotechnic standpoint, bigger than ever. More effects, many locations, but probably the biggest innovation this year is the integration of lighting looks into the fireworks show itself, and then some special standalone lighting shows.
There's 87 lighting positions throughout the needle, from the 600 to 5-foot level all the way down to the ground. It's a combination of multicolor LEDs and beams that will shoot thousands of feet into the air. It's very exciting. The needle is going to have all types of color and texture. One of my favorite parts is that we're going to be putting LEDs in the glass floor, the new glass floor, which is part of the remodel here at the Space Needle.
It's a whole different look now for the fireworks and for the lighting. If you're on that level, you can see the show now. You literally be in the show. You'll see things from below your feet and out on all sides and above you as well. So that's something that's brand new this year, never been seen before. Usually we have around 2,300 pyrotechnic cues, individual cues during the show, during 10 minutes. This year we have just about 3,000 individual cues, and then there are anywhere from 1 to 100 items per cue. So from a pyrotechnic standpoint, it's the biggest ever. It's a crew of 12, and we've been working the 28th, 29th, 30th, finish up on the 31st, take it all back down on the 1st.
So 8 o'clock tonight, there's going to be a special preview for 30 minutes of just the light show. 10 o'clock tomorrow night, New Year's Eve, will be a 30-minute light show. And then at midnight, with the fireworks, it's going to be absolutely amazing. We'll be celebrating the new year.
Happy New Year, Seattle.
Happy New Year, Seattle.